God. Oh, there we go. There we go. Is that even a magnetic screwdriver?
It is.
The card is so big.
I think I lost a screw.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to 5W Tech. I'm super excited today because I have a piece of monster tech in front of me. It's not actually even mine, but it doesn't matter because we're going to go ahead and unbox an RTX 4090. All right, guys, so if you haven't noticed already, here's a piece of old tech sitting in front of me. This is an RTX 3080 Ti with 12 gigs of RAM. This is the Gigabyte version, and surprisingly enough, this is another Gigabyte version of the 4090. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. We're gonna see what's inside, and I'm kind of scared because it's really heavy. I have no idea what to expect out of this box. I've heard that they're all gigantic. All the brands, Asus, Gigabyte, Power Color. What else do we have?
You have Zotac.
Zotac. So let's open it up and let's see what's going on in here. All right, guys, so I'm gonna start unboxing the 4090. It's been a couple of years since the graphics card has come out. When did the 3080 series come out?
It's been 2 years.
2 years already, 2 years ago.
But the 3090 Ti came out this year. I feel sorry for those suckers.
That's true, 3090 Ti did come out 2022, and don't say suckers on the camera. What's wrong with you? A lot of people ended up buying the 3090 Ti as if it was the top dog of all the cards, and it was up until a few weeks ago, right?
It was.
Then came the 4090, and you know what? The funniest part is, stock is everywhere in the stores, right? There's no comparison here for the size. What size fans does the 3080 Ti have? They're about like 90 millimeter fans, 3 of them. And the 4090 has what? Over 120, 3 of them. Yeah. Look at that. That's a lot of cooling, guys. That scares me, guys. Tech is supposed to get smaller and faster, but here we're getting bigger and bulkier as the generations go by.
And faster as well.
What do you guys think of this? This is insane. They're both from the same company. They're both the same tier card. Lots of similarities here.
They're both gaming OCs.
Both gaming OCs. So let's talk about some specs here. I'm not going to talk about the specs on the 3080 Ti because that's all over the internet. But this particular version here is the Gigabyte RTX 4090 Gaming OC. So this retails for about $1,700 US MSRP.
In Canada, up to $2,500 with tax.
$2,500 plus tax with tax in Canadian dollars. Not bad. It's got 16,384 CUDA cores, 176 ROPS, base clock of 2,235, overclock 2535 megahertz, and the memory is clocked to 1313. Yep. Is that right? You've already overclocked this?
I overclocked it.
What did you overclock?
On the core, I hit 2970.
2970 on the core?
I hit 1600.
1600 on the RAM.
So that's 24,000 gigabytes.
Well, let's get this inside the case. Let's see how it fits, and let's see the difference between this and the 3080 Ti when it comes to performance. so we're popping in the 4090 into the Phantek's case. Talk to me about the power connectors again. What's going on there? I see one really small, flimsy power connector.
This is a new Nvidia connector to the. Well, again, I think they had it for the 3000 series as well. So the 4000 series has this. You have to use 4 8 pins.
Whoa, wait, can you please showcase that one more time?
4 8 pins.
4 8 pins.
Yeah.
And for the record, what are you running for a power supply here?
A 1000 EVGA GQ.
For the record, I don't need any records because look, they're not being installed right now.
I ordered another VGA bracket.
Okay.
To combat the side because the one that came with the Gigabyte didn't fit my case due to my motherboard layout.
Yeah.
So I ordered another one on Amazon. I should be getting it soon.
Wow. That is the most sag I've ever seen. That PCIe port is going to rip out by the time that thing arrives. Well guys, that was a pretty fun video to make. The RTX 4090 is a beast of a card. No doubt it will run your games at max settings and some more. But is it worth it? Is it worth the massive cost? Does it hold its weight in performance? Yeah, I don't know. I'm not buying it. I'm waiting for the RTX 4080 16 gig version. Last thing, I know you guys have a lot of questions like, what kind of setup was that? What kind of CPU? What kind of RAM? What kind of motherboard? What kind of case? Don't worry, I got you covered. All the specs will be listed in the description below. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please consider leaving a comment and a like, and maybe even subscribing to my channel. It'll really help me out. I'll see you guys in the next video.